So just for comparison here, so you guys can see the difference in a 9mm versus the 454 casull round.
Oh Lord. Yeah, man. Appreciate it, sir. What rainfire? So did you catch up to it, or did you hear me say?
And yes.
Are you ready?
Sure is.
Stand by.
I'll take it.
Hey, there you go.
That's convenient.
That's bullshit. That's what that is. Oh.
You know what it is? It's those damn shoes and those boots.
Yeah.
That was funny. Tim's like, put,
That's
Lord,
perfect.
Look, I'm Tim Wally.
Hey, I gotta catch a break with this big gun. It's the first time I really shot this thing.
I'm Tim Wally.
Oh wait, when he comes here,
Look, bang, bang. Oh, bang, bang.
I figured there wasn't no reason to back up.
Regraded.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah, when you shoot here, you yeah.
I got
Hit fish, unload, clear.
So this is what I'm putting in it. This is the Hornady XTP 45 caliber, 230 grain. This is a Winchester primer, small rifle primers. Yes. This is tight group. So I got tight group powder, really fine powder so that it burns nice and even. So and here's what we're coming out with. 8.2 grains in here. And it lightens up the load so that you can fire the gun. Makes it a lot more pleasurable to fire. I've been shooting it, been firing it. It's running good, works really good in the casull. And I'm shooting it in a Taurus Raging Hunter 454. So if you want to soften up your load just a little bit, then that's the recipe that you can use to do that.